welcome to the first episode of Cooking in a Tesla. This is my brand new cooking show and probably the first of its kind. I'm your host and I'm not a chef. Before we start, I think there should be a disclaimer on the screen. Whatever I made, if it ended up looking good, it probably doesn't taste good. It's all just video magic. The goal is to utilize minimum equipment to make good food. Believe it or not, I think the reason why someone would go camping on the dirt or go on an exhausting 20-mile hike is to just eat a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with a view. Just that. It's amazing how a simple sandwich can become a luxurious treat when enjoyed with a beautiful view. Okay, I don't have a view today either, it's just grass. We are in Cypress Provincial Park, here in the beautiful British Columbia, and home of the Rebel Camper Kit. And today we are making egg fried rice. Okay. We're gonna start with rice. It's ideal to use a rice cooker. I don't have one, or a way to power it, and it also goes against my minimalist practice. So we'll just use a pot and boil it. Just make it the most, I don't know, simple way. It's not simple, but accessible. How much rice do I need? I like to go with just a handful for one person. So today I'm gonna do like 2 handfuls of rice so I can have some for dinner as well. For the water level, I like to use my fingertip. It's about here from the surface of the rice to the top of the water, right around a fingertip. This is just how I was taught growing up in an Asian family, and it works. I'm also not washing my rice because water is very precious for van lifing. I'll bring this to a full power, let it boil without any cover on. Once it's boiling, I'll bring down the fire to low and cover it up for some time. The water is boiling at a pretty good rate. I will now bring the fire down and cover it up. Maybe leave a little gap. By doing this, water is being soaked into the rice, so it's soft and cooked. It's also a good idea to check on the rice every now and then, just to make sure it's not completely dried up. Also, ideally for any fried rice, it's best to use cold or overnight rice. That way the rice is like solid and not smooshy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna leave this out, let it dry down and cool down while we prep for the ingredients. For ingredients, I have some green onion, garlic, and some red hot peppers. I should probably bring the rice over so I can look at it, so animals, squirrels, birds don't eat my rice. All I'm doing is chopping these up. I don't know how's my chopping skill looks. Let me get my frying pan. A little bit dirty, but that's okay. Oil is going in. Garlic and onion. Oh, eggs. That's what I forgot. Oh my god. Okay, okay, I need to stop this. Let me reassess. Okay, no, that's fine, okay. I just need to crack open some eggs. Okay. Let me quickly chop these up too. I'm gonna use 4 of these. I'll stir these with my spork. rice in. I won't recommend the square pan. It's not the best shape to fry anything. I got this because it's easy to store, but I think I'll probably get a circular one. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, soy sauce, and also sesame oil. I don't like too much soy sauce. I like to keep the rice light looking. Here is sesame oil. Garnish now goes in. Whoa. Okay. Okay. I think I'll just add a little bit more soy sauce. Man, okay, it's pretty stressful making food and filming. Yeah, this pan is not really good to navigate. I think I'm happy with what I have. Now it's time to eat. Oh wow, okay. Wow, it's actually good. Okay, I can't believe what I made is actually good. I'm gonna pack up some of these and save for dinner, and I'll eat the rest. Oh, okay. A little bit too spicy. I think I used too many chilies. Lunch and dinner both served. What should I say? I don't know. That's it for the video. Yeah, just go out and be adventurous. Go for a hike, go somewhere, go camping, cook some delicious food, enjoy the view. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay, see you guys.